Alright, today I'm doing an unboxing video of July's Horror Block. So without further ado, let's break this bad boy open and see what we got. Alright, right off the bat, we have a Sharknado pop vinyl figure. Not a big fan of the movie. Actually, it's kind of silly that it's in this horror block. But, oh well. Second up, we have a Tim Burton's A Nightmare Before Christmas trading figure. Kinda cool, I guess. Shirt. Next out of the box, we have alien pins. It's kinda cool. Flip them onto your book bag or t-shirt or whatever. Then we have a walking thread zombies, or whatever the hell you say it. That's cool, I guess. Sort of. And then a Rue Morgue magazine. I enjoy these fairly good. And it's the Crow edition. Brandon Lee. Good movie. And then some worthless whatever it is. Now let's see what this is. Ah, sick. Sick. We have the Frog Brothers, Vampire Hunters, from the movie Lost Boys. Very cool. Well, that's it all for Horror Block. Hope you guys enjoy. Ciao for now.